guys, I wanted to come on here real quick and share with you what I got in my Boxycharm. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month and they send you full-size products of makeup. And I really like this subscription, so I'm going to share with you what I got. Alright, so they always come with a postcard telling you information about the product and the retail price. So it looks like this theme is Wildflower. So the first thing I have here is from Laura Geller, and this is a Baked Blush and Brighten, and this retails for $28. So it's a very pretty mauvey pink color. Okay, so the next thing I have here is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is a brush set, and this retails for $18. And from Butter London, I have here a, what is this? Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner, and this retails for $19. So, yeah, that's kind of different. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then here from Hank and Henry, this is a liquid lipstick, and this retails for $17. And this is what the applicator looks like. And the last thing I have here from Pretty Vulgar, this is the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $35. I love when I get eyeshadow palettes. And it has a really nice mirror. Yeah, so that is what I got in my Boxycharm. Stay tuned, I want to share with you a free product that I received from Influencer. And the free item that I got from Influencer is this Pericon MD. This is a face firming serum. Okay, I have here a postcard of some of the other products that they make, and I received free from Influencer this face firming serum that retails for $99, just to give a review. And as I was reading, it says here, this is a high potency classics face firming serum, previously available only through dermatologists. It's supposed to help visibly minimize wrinkles, delivers luminous, vibrant, fresh complexion. It has alpha lipoic acid, DMAE, so it also has hyaluronic acid as well. So I can't wait to try this out. I love the packaging. It looks so sleek and really nice. Also receive the House of Lashes, and this retails from about $9 to $12. And I got this Smashbox Lippy, and this retails for $21 to $24. And this color is called Spectacle. And I got this Adesi Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. And I got the Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. Retails for $22. And then last I got the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $19. Okay, so that's what I got in my boxes. Thanks for watching.